What's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to save presets presets. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to save presets in flstudiomobile. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, comment, like and share all my videos. Yeah man. Presets, if you most of y'all don't know anything about presets is like it's something where you need to save so that you can come back later and find it, instead of you doing the same thing again from scratch. Like if you don't understand, okay, let's say for example I'm making chord progressions and I want to cut the low frequency, of course, because I want to add the bass, right? So I'm going to use EQ. So on the EQ, because for the EQ we have band 1, band 2, band 3, band 4, right? So I want to remove the low frequency. I'm gonna cut the low frequency after adding EQ, and then after that yeah, everything will be fine, right? So what happens when I delete the EQ, right? I have to add it again, cut the low frequency or the high frequency. You understand what I'm saying? So if I save presets, then it will help me so that I'll load the saved preset instead of doing it all over again. If you don't understand, make sure you watch this video to the end. And yeah man, let's get straight to the video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, comment, like and share all my videos. Let's get it. I'm going to play a beat right now. I was making this beat and then I had to add the EQ, then save the presets. You can save the presets for everything you do. It's not only about the EQ, it's about everything. You can save the presets in Supersaw, GMS, keyboard, like everything you do in flstudiomobile. So let me just make a quick example so that you can understand. I don't want you to get lost. Let's get it. Right now I'm naming the preset, right? So that when I want to look for when I'm looking for it, I will find it. So I'm just gonna write anything about the presets, and then it must be rememberable so that when I go to load it, it's just there waiting for me, so that I don't have to start everything from scratch. So saving presets is good, and it will save you a lot of time that you have to go through when you are making beats. Maybe you're in a rush, you understand. Okay, so now I saved the preset. Let's delete the preset, and I mean the EQ, and edit again so that we can load the preset and see what's happening. So let's go and load this preset. Let's go and check it from the my presets, and then there you see low frequency cutoff FML preset PST. See, you see, so that's it guys, so simple and very effective. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching until the end. You guys, like I said, make sure you subscribe, comment, like and share for more useful videos like this one. I got tons of videos. Yeah man, see you in the next video. Peace.